Hi there, I'm Kenneth Perry from the Microsoft Surface team, and I'm really excited to have you join me for the unboxing of the Surface Laptop for Business 13-inch. This is our brand new ultra-portable Copilot Plus PC, built for business, productivity, creativity, and all-day convenience. With the Snapdragon X Plus processors under the hood, you get super fast performance, amazing built-in AI features, and up to 23 hours of battery life. Plus, you're covered with Microsoft's industry-leading chip-to-cloud security. The Surface Laptop 13 is designed to meet the needs of information workers and education sectors specifically. Let's dive in and see what makes this device so special. The paper-based packaging is compact and thoughtfully designed, incorporating up to 75% recycled materials, which is part of Microsoft's commitment to sustainability. The box also includes printed serial numbers and barcodes on the exterior, making it easy to identify the product type and color for streamlined inventory management. Man, I am so excited to open the box and see what's inside. Let's get started. The box has one piece of tape that makes it easy to open the box. So I'm going to slice right here. As we open the box, the first thing you're greeted with is the Surface Laptop, neatly covered in this soft protective material, adding a premium feel to the unboxing experience. I like the feeling of this material. It's really soft. Definitely feels great. Let's see what else is inside the box. Okay, we have a USB-C charging cable for charging the device, all right. You have a Surface 45-watt USB-C wall charger. Now keep in mind, this is only available in select markets and specific configurations to eliminate e-waste. You've also got the adapter for the wall charger. Let's unwrap the charger. Now that the charger is unwrapped, here's how the adapter connects to it. Just like this. It's compact and it looks pretty slick. Quick start guide for easy setup, along with safety and warranty documentation. That concludes what we have inside the box. Really cool, really cool. Now let's go back to the Surface Laptop and check it out. Okay, here it is in all its glory, the Surface Laptop for Business 13-inch, ultra thin, lightweight, and beautifully designed. Let's talk about the first impressions of this device. It's premium. It has a durable design. It feels solid, but yet light enough to carry anywhere. And it wouldn't be a Surface Laptop without the ability to open it with one finger or maybe a knuckle. Let's see. Definitely passed the finger test instantly, right? And so designed with inclusiveness in mind, it ensures that users can open the device and get to work effortlessly. Right here is the power button, which doubles as a Windows Hello fingerprint reader. You can set it up with multiple fingers. So just touch it and it unlocks your device instantly, giving you enhanced sign-in security every time you use it. And then look at the stunning 13-inch PixelSense touch display with the ultra-thin bezels, which features an anti-reflective technology that's on the device. Now making it easy to use in any lighting condition. Okay, y'all, here's the signature backlit keyboard for premium typing experiences, day or night. You can barely hear the keys while I'm typing. Can you hear this? Now check out the large precision trackpad for seamless navigation in Windows 11 Pro. This is also quiet to the touch. I'm clicking on it right now. Can you hear that? All right, now this is great for those co-working environments. You really don't want to disturb your neighbor, especially when you're on calls. Now let's highlight one of the standout features, the Copilot key. With one press, you can quickly create, summarize, analyze, and visualize information, making it a true productivity companion built into your workflow. You have plenty of versatility here with two USB-C ports for external 4K monitors on the right side and a USB-A port and headphone jack on the left side. And when you think about video calls or enhanced collaboration, you have a full HD AI-enhanced studio camera and dual microphones ensure crystal clear visuals and sound. Whether you're collaborating or presenting, this device has you covered. At the base of the Surface laptop is a conveniently placed QR code, allowing IT administrators and asset managers to quickly access the device's serial number. This makes asset management easier and reduces manual entry errors. So, there you have it, the Surface Laptop for Business 13-inch, the ultimate tool for productivity, creativity, and secure, reliable performance. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just simply loves great tech, this laptop has something for everyone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more from Surface for Business.